Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today, I want to make a splash screen. What splash screen? You know about splash screen, everyone? Okay, I want explanation first about splash screen. I want to search what is splash screen. Okay, what is splash screen? Wait, so I am search the image first. Nah, like that, bro. Okay, like that. Okay, splash screen. Splash screen is the display that appears the first time we open an application. The application screen usually display the logo name, your brand logo, and other things related to this application. Some applications that use splash screen include maybe like Facebook, YouTube, or Gojek. Okay, like that, bro. Before go to your application, so your brand first, so like that. Okay, how to make it this splash screen? So easy, bro. So this video I want to make in Kodular, because in under studio maybe later I make in splash screen in under studio. Okay, so now you open the createkodular.io in domain the search, and then create project. The name is splash screen. App name splash screen. Okay, getting things ready, just minutes. Okay, still wait. Okay, the first is if you want to use screen 1, screen 2. If you want to don't use, then uncheck list. So easy, right? Delete. Okay, the first the first you drag the lottie name. The user lottie. Lottie, what is lottie? Lottie is, wait, I will explanation first. What is lottie? Lottie animation. Lottie animation. Okay, Lottie animation is file animation GIF vector and others. This is just animation, ya guys. Okay, so continue again in splash screen. Okay, the first is screen 1. You click screen 1. Don't forget, the left is center, the top is bottom. No, the center maybe, like that. And then go to Lottie screen, the hack automatic, then with fill parents. Don't forget, you drag clock here. Maybe up to you if you want to use 100,000, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, up to you. Maybe I want explanation 3,000. And then after that, don't forget you download animation first in Lottie. Maybe you search loading circle, like that. And then if you want to use others circle animation, up to you. Maybe you download this and then Lottie JSON. Okay, don't file GIF, don't sesuai, don't GIF and MP4 don't. You click Lottie JSON, and then after that, after you download, you drag to the source, and then wait, drag like that. Finish. After finish, don't forget insert your change in your Lottie JSON file. Okay, after that I want to cut this screen 1. Okay, the block, the first is block. Okay, maybe screen, you go to screen. This is so easy, cut. Better I'm the studio using language Kotlin. This only drag and drop. Okay, when screen initialize, like that, bro. And then after that you go to clock, and then you search Okay, set clock time enable to. Wow, this is the problem. Cannot in to this code. No problem. You go to logic and then drag through to okay like that, and then can join. Don't forget after this drag again code 1 o'clock a timer. Okay, and then don't forget the duplicate. So easy, so simple, duplicate, and then don't forget this is false. You understand this coding, guys? Okay, when screen open, set clock the timer enable to true. This is true, and then when clock timer enable, so enough to false. Okay, false, and then so the last code is, don't forget you go to screen. Wait, screen. Okay, and then so you search open another screen. Hey, forget bro, in control. I'm so sorry. So sorry. Okay, go to open screen. Okay. The screen one to screen one. Okay, don't forget you new screen. Up to you name. Screen two, screen three, up to you. Your name up to you. And then open another screen two. Wait. This is automatic. Nah, don't forget change first. After finish screen one, continue screen two, guys. In screen two, don't forget if you want use screen title, up to you if you want, but I recommend that not use, guys. And then wait, scrollable, no, okay, like that. And then if you want to upload background, up to you, you set background like that in the Google Pixel background like that. Oh, so much, guys, yeah. Up to you if you want to choose this, or this is. I want to choose this, guys, because this is so good. Don't forget download, save image, save. Oh, I already download, guys. Okay, don't forget upload to this, guys. Upload. Okay, after that you drag to Kodular. After that, don't forget non change in JPEG file. So so good, right? Use background, not use background. So I think it's a good use background. Okay, don't forget go to label, and then don't forget change color first. Okay, and then this is the 50. Up to you, guys. If you're the 50 or maybe 50 is so good. The text label is maybe welcome, yeah. Maybe just example, guys, yeah. Just example, because I want make splash screen. After splash screen done, continue your code, up to you. Okay, guys. So maybe make this application finish. I want to play this application. Before I play this application, I want to explain how to play this application. If you wanna download this application APK, you can. If you wanna test into companion, you download in Google Play Store first, and then this is in the copy this code, and then paste in your companion. Okay, I want I want play this application, guys. So enjoy this video, guys.